So why should we advertise on Facebook? The first reason, of course, is because of the user base. Facebook has 2.3 billion users worldwide as of we are making this video today. Let's take Malaysia for example. We have 30 million in population. Guess how many of us are on Facebook? In Malaysia itself, there are 24 million Facebook users. Imagine, this is where these people go to every single day. This is where they log in multiple times to the same app every day, consuming huge amount of information, including advertisement. So if you are serious about putting your brand in front of these people, if you are serious about using digital marketing to grow your business, Facebook advertising is the skill that you must master now. The second reason, of course, is we want to tap on the connected ecosystem Facebook built over the past many years. Yes, you may have heard some news saying that Facebook's user growth has been in a decline in the past few years in certain countries. But at the same time, Facebook's other mobile apps such as Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger continue to post promising user growth over the past few years. So in 2019, Facebook already announced that they are going to build an integrated experience for their users, connecting these four applications together. That means what? That means new Facebook advertising is going to happen. I'll probably call it new digital advertising possibility is ahead of us. So in order to prepare ourselves for the future possibility and opportunities, it's really important for us to learn and master what is already working right now so that when the opportunity comes, we are able to grab them firsthand.